Ever wanted to send a photo or file instantly without searching for someone's device in quick share? Here's a faster way, just use a QR code. Not everyone knows this. In QuickShare, you can create a QR code that nearby devices can scan to connect instantly. It's a faster way to share without searching for their device name. To do so, open Gallery and select any photo or video you want to share. Tap the share icon, then tap Quick Share. On the Quick Share screen, look under Share to Nearby Device section. You will see a QR code or link button. Tap the button. As you can see, your phone will generate a unique QR code for that file. Now, ask the other person to open their camera or QR code scanner and scan the QR code, and it will instantly open the download page or start quick share on their device. It's fast and secure. And that's it. No more searching for devices or pairing. Just scan the QR code and share your file instantly with quick share. It's perfect for meetings, classes, or sharing photos with friends nearby. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.